As in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can sort your photos album from oldest to newest or newest to oldest on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, open up the Photos app. In here, we're going to go back to Albums and then open up the photo albums that you want to view. In here, tap on the More button at the top. From the pop-up menu, tap on Sort. And in here, you can choose oldest to newest, or you can sort photos by newest to oldest. And that's it. You can see the photos order has been changed depending on which option I have selected. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.